Hey, I'm David Mullinex. I'm going to be demonstrating how to file and store a radiograph properly. So this is an actual x-ray film. We use digital radiography here, but sometimes we get referrals that are still using film. So we do have it set up to be able to properly look at this and examine it, as well as to store it properly if we're going to be storing it. The first thing you want to notice is that this is not labeled right now. So we do have this x-ray identification tape, and you'd simply cut a piece and label it properly with the patient ID, and anything in regards to this radiograph that would be pertinent to know. Needs to be on the radiograph as well as on the envelope. So the envelope actually goes into detail as well. I would properly fill that out so that anything that's in this envelope is also on the x-ray film itself, and that way there's no confusion. So when you're handling film, you need to be careful with touching it. If you overexposure to the oils in our fingers or crinkling, can really damage the film itself. So you want to hold it only by the corners and place it in the envelope like so, very carefully. And then if you're going to store it, you always store like this, as opposed to laying them on top of each other to prevent any type of damage. This is the best way to store them, and that is how we do it here. Really simple. Just make sure you label the film itself, you label the envelope, and then you store it properly. And when you're moving it, you want to make sure that you're only touching it as necessary.